Did you know that our feet can help us relieve several different types of pain? They are very important for our health, and when we exercise them, they can help relieve tension in our back, knees, hips, and neck. The opposite is also true. If we don't walk the right way, it can make our pain worse. In today's video, we're going to teach you 5 simple exercises to relieve back, knee, hip, and neck pain. Grabbing with your feet. This is the best exercise for hip, back, and knee pain. All you have to do is try and pick up things with your feet. Put an object on the floor and try to pick it up. Think of your foot as if it was your hand. Repeat this exercise 4 to 5 times per foot. Tiptoeing. This exercise consists of walking and leaning on your toes for at least 20 seconds. Do a series of 5 20-second repetitions. You can do this series up to twice a day. It's like you're imitating a ballerina. If it's hard for you to keep your balance, try holding on to something. Practice makes perfect, so your balance will improve with time. Ankle circles. In order to prevent your ankles from locking up, you need to work on your flexibility and strength. The best way to do this exercise is by laying down on the floor and making circles with your ankle 10 times to each side. Repeat this procedure with your other leg. Heel lifts. For this exercise, you need to lean on a chair or wall and raise one of your legs. Now, lift the heel of the leg that is holding your weight as far as you can until you're on your tiptoes. Then slowly lower your heel again. Repeat this between 10 and 15 times before switching legs. This helps strengthen the muscles in your heels and knees. Walking on a ball. This exercise isn't as hard as it sounds. All you have to do is put a ball under your foot and press down on it. Do this for a minute and then switch feet in order to improve circulation. If you suffer from chronic back, knee, or hip pain, and these exercises don't help, you should go see a specialist. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.